Okay. All right. Find your balance. Hi, I'm Delandis. Welcome back to my channel and Dance Tutorial Tuesday, where each week I bring you a fierce dance routine. So if you want to dance, stick around. Before I give you all my goodies, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos or tutorials I may upload. Today, we kill the lights in this sassy, sexy Latin fusion jazz routine. So grab your heels and meet me on the dance floor. Hi friends, welcome back. This is a fun one today with a little Latin fusion, little Latin jazz in here today. So we're just gonna have a good little sassy fun time. All right, let's just get right into it. We are starting with that right leg, this one right there. And taking that step, we're gonna mambo cross. Now, when you extend that leg out, it's just a little tap here, okay? So we're gonna mambo tap. Now, watch your arms so they're not doing all this stuff. You can do anything with those arms, boom, whatever you want. That's gonna be yours. That's gonna be your decision. But I don't want them looking like we're doing double Dutch, all right? The arms ain't like this. Starting from the top again, 5, 6, 7, we go, and boom, doom, tap. From here, we step back, pop, pop, all right? I'm gonna give very specific arms on that. So when we come here from that mambo step and we go up, oops, I'm hitting stuff here, and here. That's what's gonna happen with the arms, okay? Again, from the top, 5, 6, 7, we go, and a boom, boom, tap, up, boom. Moving on, we cross with that right leg cross. From here, boom. Now, it's not a stop. It's just kind of a push off to get to this destination. Boom, you're gonna give me a nice little roll there. All right, again, from here, pop, pop. Stepping with that right leg, we cross. Boom, the step here. Give me a roll, roll. That's yours, whatever you want. All right, this is what I'm gonna ask you to do with the arms. Just play. It's okay to play today with the arms. Just don't make them look like this, all right? Control them, have fun with them. Oh, did I tell you guys what the song is? It's called Kill the Lights, so you know what that means. Getting a little sassy and a little sexy today. Again, 5, 6, 7, we go, and a boom, boom, cross, and a back, drop. Now, I'm trying not to reach here my ceiling, you know, because I get really tall when I'm in these stilettos. All right, so again, from the top, for me, 5, 6, 7, we go, and a step, and a top, arms, boom. We go cross, ha, boom, boom. Now again, don't think of this as a destination. I just want you to make sure that this is more, you give me a little something, ha, to go here. Give me a little something, a little accent with the head or something on that step. All right, one more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, we go, and a mambo. So, ooh. Again, 5, 6, 7, and mambo, tap, and our arms, boom, cross, head, here, here. Moving on, we go push away, whatever you want to do with those arms. And also too, this is really bright. The song is bright. That means it's fast. So just so that you know, so that you're prepared. From here, pushing that hip out. I'm already winded. This is how fast and how hard this routine is gonna be. No, it's not hard. It's not a hard one. It's just quick. All right, from here, roll, roll. We push away. From here, cross, and boom. Boom, down that body. This is sexy. This is one of my favorite parts in the routine. So we cross over with that left leg, boom, ha. And this is when you tease. You look at somebody in the audience and you're like, oh, oh. Try it again from here. We go roll, roll, 2 rolls, push away, cross, and pop. Now this is a rebound, guys. A lot of this is like pushing off. Boom, da, boom, boom. So really stay light on your feet. All right, so from here, cross, roll, roll. Ah, all right. Adding it on from the top. It's not a crazy, crazy long routine, but it's a fun one. All right, here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and shoom, boom, ha, hit, and drop, step, pull, roll, push away, cross, and ha, ha. Find your balance. Again, from the top. 5, 6, 7, and shoom, boom, tap, ha, ha, step, cross, hoo, hoo, push away, grab, and ha, ha. Shall we move on? Moving on from here, we do that roll, roll. One of my favorite parts here. From here, we step with that right leg, passe, boom. And you see what I just did? Did you see? When I step, whoo, I go through that passe and I lift that body. Ah, yes, lift. So you want to think about pushing up and back. Yeah, push and up, back. Again, from here, roll, roll, right, up, ball change, or rock back, step. Rock back, step. Try that a few times, okay? Again, step, lift, rock, back, step. Again, 5, 6, 7, and step, up, rock, back, step. Yes, keep those hips moving. Now, this is what I want you to know, that in Latin dance, those hips are always moving. Those isolations are always happening. So whatever you do, lift, boom, boom, boom. Keep those hips moving and working with you, okay? Let's add that much from the top. Ready? Nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, we go. Remember those hips and tap, whoo, drop, step, cross, roll, push away, push and cross and roll, roll and a step, hey, back and ha. Beautiful. Again, a little brighter. That means a little faster. 5, 6, 7, and cross and a step and a pop and a ha, step and roll, roll, push away, cross and a ha, ha, step and back and step. Let's move on. Remember, you can always go back, slow it down, and do it again. I will always say this in my tutorials, guys. So you know, you have that option. That's the wonderful thing. Gives me more views and more minutes when you do that. I'm just kidding. Remember, this is always for you. This is for you. My gift to you. My gift of dance to you. Because we love it so much, right? All right, here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, and mambo, cross and a ha, back, step, cross and a roll. Yes, push away, step and ha, ha, step and back and step. Moving on. We go push away, or give me a mambo there. Push away, step from here. We go ah, ha. You can give me more of a grind on that. But you ain't gonna wait there for long, okay? Because we ain't gonna be there long. Grind, grind, push and ha, ah. I had to do that. That was for me. Now let me go back and teach it. All right, let's go back before I actually go back and teach that. From here, step, lift, back it up, step, push away, cross with that left leg, wind it down, wind it down. We take that right leg back, pop. Roll, roll, pop, push, shoo. Yes. You see it's another push away. Boom. It's like this one, but we're doing it to the back. Push away. Got it? Get it? Got it? It's all good. All right. Again, slowly. 6, right leg, step, step, whoo, and give me that head. Throw that head. Yes. Drama. 5, 6, 7, and step, back, and step, boom, boom, and wind, wind, and pop, hoo, hoo. Let's add that much from the top. Now, we don't have much left. Again, I didn't want to make it so long, or too long, I should say, because it is brisk, and I want you to really work on these steps that we have here. From the top. 5, 6, 7, and shoo, shoo, high, and our arms. Start to tease. So when that music comes on, you're ready. And cross here and step. Lift back and step. Push away and hoo, hoo, shoo, goo, shoo, boom. Yes? It goes pop and hoo, boom. So the hips go pop, ha, ha, ha. Ha ha, ha ha, da 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 da. All right, let's move on from here. Okay. All right. Yes. Yes. I'm just going over my steps. Okay, where are we? So we have here, we did that roll, roll, pop, and push away. From here, we just do a tap. Whoo, tap, tap. Yes, whoo, whoo. Push that hip. All right, so as you come around, I want you to start with that left leg to go boom. This is a transition. Ta, ta. Y'all, this is the end coming up. All right, one more time from that roll down. 6, 7, we go. And roll, roll, and pop, and push away. And I'll extend that arm when you do that push away and be dramatic with that push. And to give me that tap. Ha, as you come around, play to the camera. Moving on, left leg, we do that step and back. Boom, give me that mambo step. Shoo, yes, shoo, back, da, back, and a step with the left, pivot, turn, and around. Yes, yes. All right, let's try it again. Coming from the transition around. Yes, 5, 6, 7, we go. And a tap, tap, high, left leg, and step, and break, back, boom, pivot, turn, and this is the ending, guys. I told you it was not that long today. All right, easy breezy. Let's take it one more time from that place, from the roll. Because it's not so long, we have time to spare, so tell me a knock-knock joke. All right, I'll go first. Knock-knock, who's there? Orange, orange who? Aren't you glad you're here with me today? Now, because I gave you guys a knock-knock joke, you're gonna have to leave one in the comment section down below, okay? Who can tell me the best knock-knock joke? I love knock-knock jokes. They're fun and silly. Let's take it from the end. From here, we go tap, 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 tap. From here, left leg. This is the finale, y'all. Step, pivot, turn, lift. You extend that left leg out, left, and bring it on in. Yes, and that's it. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have said that. Copyright issues again? All right, I'm so corny and cliche, you know. That's a part of my charm, right? You know, hey, it's Delandis. From the top, let's take it nice and slow. 5, 6, oh, before we start, what do? Find our character, stop all the sweating. Yes, you never let them see you sweat, okay? All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7, and mambo, cross, hit, pop, stop, and roll, roll, and a push away, cross, and a boom, boom, step, lift, back, and step, boom, 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 roll, roll, pop, and push away, tap, 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 and go, mambo, back, and step, pivot, turn, and a leg, yes, and you guys will hear that in the music. You're just finishing that phrase with that extended leg, boom, and bring it in. Yes. And that's it. All right, from the top, a little brighter. 5, 6. Oh, and by the way, I'm giving y'all a little glitter fantasy today. See, I usually don't like glitter in my makeup because it's so messy. But again, I do these looks for y'all. I sit right here for about 3 hours just to beat the mug, just for you guys. So I hope you appreciate it. I know you do. I know you do. I wear makeup for my tutorials because first of all, number one is I want to feel the character. I want to feel glamorous. I want to feel pretty and sassy and sexy, but also too, I want to inspire you friends to find your character. It makes it all fun when you can play dress up, and I work with kids and I say all the time to my adults, you have to play. Kids go out, they have fun, they play, they have recess. As adults, we don't play like we should, right? Except for going to the gym and all that stuff, but that's kind of boring sometimes. So this is our play. This is our playground. So take advantage of these moments that you get to really just, for right now, while we're in pandemic, to turn on your screens and just have a little fun and live in Delandisworld for a while. If I didn't have this, if I didn't have you guys, and I don't know what I would be doing around here. Probably sitting, eating, watching television all day. So I'm happy to be here with you guys. So let's take it from the top. One more time, bright, brisk, yes. And then we'll go to the performance. At tempo or close to tempo as much as possible. Now, if it's too fast, go back, slow it down again, all right? Then work yourselves up. I will keep saying that. It's like I'm a recorder over and over in your head telling you to slow it down and do it again. No frustration here. We don't do any of that, all right? From the top, 5, 6, 7, and step and a pop and a hoo, hoo, step and ha, ha, push away, step and a hoom, hoom, step, lift back and step, boom, 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 ha, ha, push and step and ta, 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 mambo, press and a step, pivot, turn and a ha, and ha. Now, I always go faster than the music, so if you can do it that tempo, you're probably safe. So while we're here, let's check that tempo. Let's check it. And step and ta, ha, ha, step. So I was a little faster. And push, step and boom, boom, push and a back and tap, 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 and go mambo back and step, ha, ah, ah, ha, leg, ha. All right, so it is a little fast, but not as fast as I was taking it. So we're okay. Okay, I know I said it was the last time, but let's do it one more time, okay? Just for you. 5, 6, 7, and step and a tap, hit, ha, step, ah, hoo, hoo, push away, and a ha, ha, step, lift back and step, da, 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 hoo, hoo, back and ha, ah. Let me try that again. From here, we go, hoo, hoo, ba, da, ha, ha. Now that's really odd. I'm gonna stop for a second. That's really odd, but we're here. So just think when you step back with that right leg, push that booty out, boom, ba, then push away. All right? Tap, 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 go, step back, boom, boom, step, pick, and go, ha, and leg, bring it in. All right, guys, that's enough teaching. That's enough studying. Throw your lipstick on, throw your makeup, your wig, your zhuzh on, and meet me at the performance. See you soon.
More than you need me, yeah. Feels like we're popping now. Changes, they're stopping now. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave from my side. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. You killed the lies, we come to life. I see the fire in your eyes. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. When you say my name, oh, na, 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 yeah.
As always, it's a pleasure and a delight dancing with you. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Take it out into the world. It's yours. I want you to record yourself doing this routine and tag me at Delandis on Instagram. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to this channel and press that bell notification so that you may get any notifications for any videos or tutorials I may upload. I love you guys. See you next time.